Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear student, my friend. I am Asadullah Wali, and my subject is mathematics and addition mathematics of A level and O level, and my expertise is on mechanics and statistics as well. Mathematics teaching is my passion, and I have been in this field around, you may say, since 2002. So today we discuss a topic. In mathematics, we discuss two types of trigonometry: simple trigonometry, or you may say further trigonometry. In further trigonometry, we discuss two types of formulas. If you have any triangle like this triangle, in which we have three sides and three angles. Let's suppose this is angle A, this one is angle B, and this one is angle C. And the opposite side of C is small c, opposite side of A is small a, and then opposite side of angle B is small b. So I can apply two different laws onto this triangle, and these two laws are called sine laws and cosine law. So first of all, we discuss sine law. Sine law or sine rule, you may say. So over here we may use a formula like sine of angle of A over opposite side of A, like these two are the member of one family, right? And then another thing, that is sine of B, angle B over side of B, which is just opposite to side B, angle B, and then sine of C over side of C. You may use four of them once, and first of all you will put three values of these respect and you will find fourth one. For example, in a triangle, if something is given like this side is 4 centimeter, and let's suppose this angle is 40 degree, and this angle is, let's suppose, 70 degree, and we need to find this side, that is called x. So we can easily find this x by using this formula, because this angle and this side both are opposite, and this side and this angle both are opposite. So we may use formula like x over sine of 70 degree equals to 4 over sine of 40 degree. Now we have to make x as a subject, so we can easily make it as a subject. Like we will set this x over here, and we move this sine of 70 degree from left hand side to right hand side. Definitely this value will multiply this by 4, by this 4. So it becomes 4 into sine of 70 degree over sine of 40 degree. By using this formula, you may find even some sides or some angles. If a question comes like solve the triangle, that means you need to find all three sides and three angles. You will be given some sides and some angles, so you can put some aspects onto this formula, and then you can obtain other sides as well. So now I discuss another formula that is called cosine law. So in cosine law, again we discuss same triangle, but the formula is different. At that time when we were discussing sine law, there were two sides and two opposite angles, but over here we will discuss three sides and one angle. Like if we discuss three sides and one angle, then we can easily find one side. Let's suppose we need this A. So we'll use a formula that A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2B times C times sine of angle of, sorry, sine not, but cosine of A. Cos of A. It's a formula. And if you want to find value of s, then definitely you will have to put this square root, and you will set all these values inside the square root. It becomes b square plus c square minus 2bc cosine of a. So again, it can be seen that we have three sides a, b, and c, and an angle. So you may make subject angle, you may make x any subject, and then you can find the value of your subject. For example, if I want to find the value of angle A, So I will rearrange this formula like this: 2bc cosine of A equals to b square plus c square minus a square. Means I have to shift this from right hand side to left hand side, from right hand to left hand, and definitely I will replace this a square from left hand to right hand. It becomes positive and it becomes minus 2 or plus. So now I have to make this as a subject. It is cosine of A, cosine of angle A. It is now b square plus c square minus a square over 2bc, and finally angle A equals to b square plus c square minus a square over 2bc, and you can set all these values in the bracket, and then you will put minus sign or inverse sign with the cosine, and you will make a subject. Similarly, if a question comes like this, you find the side A by using cosine law. In fact, you have to apply cosine law. You cannot solve this question without sine law, with sine law. So a question comes to the need this x, even this side is 7 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter, and let's suppose angle is 40 degree. So we can easily find this x by using the same formula, that is x equals to square root of 7 square plus 4 square minus 2 into 7 into 4 into cosine of 40 degree. So after placing these values into this formula, you can easily find value of x. Similarly, if you need this angle like this one, so you can, after finding value of x, you can make A as subject, which is the angle, and after making this A as subject, you can put all these aspects like B sides, C sides, and N sides into this formula, and finally, after simplification, we will find inverse of this value by cosine. Then you can obtain value of it. I hope, inshallah, soon we'll discuss further topics. See you inshallah next time. Allah Hafiz.